What's up guys, in today's video we are going to look at Payoneer arbitrage. I know might not be the first time you are hearing about this, but guys, this thing actually works and it actually make money. You can actually make money doing it. So I'm going to show you some of the new strategies and some of the ways you can go about it in order for you to be safe and for you to also make profit. Okay, so if you are interested, then watch this video till the end. My name is Kingsley and welcome to my channel. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed, please do that. Subscribe because I share videos here, how to make money online, Google sites, e-commerce, WordPress, a whole lot of stuff that is actually going to help you online. Okay, so now let's continue. So like I said, how to make money online by doing a simple business model called Payoneer arbitrage. So what you want to do, right, is you want to have a Payoneer account. Okay, just like you see on my screen, I have a Payoneer account right now. So what you want to do now, you need to source for Payoneer funds. Okay, now how do you source Payoneer funds? You can do that several ways. Okay, you can do that in several ways. The first thing first is you can work on several sites that is going to pay you directly into your Payoneer. Some of those sites, as you can see right here, like Fiverr, like Propeller Ads and the likes of them. Okay, they can pay you using your Payoneer account. So work for those sites and you can earn money into your Payoneer. Now once you've had money in your Payoneer, remember, if you don't want to work for any site, you just want to start sourcing Payoneer funds, then I can recommend you go to some platforms or you join some forums. The one I can talk about right now is called Naira. It's called Naira Land. So search for nairaland.com. This is the forum. Join the forum. This is a Nigerian forum. So you just join the forum, and right here right now you're going to find that a lot of people are doing this Payoneer arbitrage. Sorry. So you can search for Payoneer here. You can say Payoneer arbitrage. You're gonna find a whole lot of people that are doing this Payoneer arbitrage. Okay, so yeah, so this is it. So you can join forums here and you can meet some people that really want to sell their Payoneer funds, but there's a catch. You need to be very careful right here. Okay, you don't want to get scammed because there are a lot of people that are out here looking for people to scam. So be careful, don't send anybody your money. Make sure you've received the Payoneer funds before you make payment. Okay, or you agree with the person, whichever way works for the both of you. So you can source for Payoneer funds here. You can also source for Payoneer funds using your Facebook. Join Facebook groups that really that freelancers are there and they want to sell their funds. They don't know how to do it. You can buy funds from them. Now once you've had your Payoneer funds, now what you want to do right now is to have some valid accounts. So one of those accounts is called geekpay.africa. Okay, another account is called grail.co. Now you see these two platforms I just mentioned, they have massive advantages and they also have some disadvantages, of course. So now with geekpay.africa and grail.co, you can open bank accounts in the United States, in pounds, and also in euros. So with this bank account, you can be able to withdraw your money at a black market rate, because if you say you want to withdraw this money right here that from Payoneer directly, for instance, if I want to withdraw this money into my Nigerian bank account directly, it's actually going to work, but the funds will be transferred at bank rate, which is around 400 and something, 480 or 450, I don't know. Okay, so and that is very poor. Okay, very poor. So at black market rate is what we want to do, and geekpay.africa and grail.co offers us black market rate, so why not use them and make more money for yourself? So I'm going to log in my account. So I'm going to log in now. Okay, so once I log in into this account, I'm going to show you some of the benefits of this account. Okay, so let me log in right here and let me go to Grail. Let me see. Okay, it's loading, so I'll come back to login. Okay, so right there, it's logging me in right now, and as you can see, $1 is for 727 naira. This is black market rate and it's dope because that's what we want to use. Okay, so I personally, this is what I do. This is how I withdraw all my funds. As you can see, I have some transactions right here. So it's actually how I withdraw all my Payoneer funds. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to link them. Okay, make sure you've linked. Once you have your account set up, your geekpay.africa set up, you submitted all the necessary documents, go to balances or go to accounts. You're going to find your account details. So, or if you don't see any account details, just request, click on create account, and it's going to be created for you. So just copy the account details like the bank name and the likes. So once you copy the United States bank account details right here, go to Payoneer, go to withdraw and transfer, go to manage bank account. Then right here you want to enter those. Okay, let me go back, click on manage bank accounts. So right here you want to enter those bank account details you just copied. So as you can see, I already have 3 bank accounts linked. This is my GeekPay, this is my Grail.co. Okay, so this is how I withdraw my funds, and then you can approve that. And yeah, so once the bank is approved, bank is added, that means the one from GeekPay or the one from Grail, whichever one you want, they are all the same thing, they all serve the same purpose. Okay, so once they have been approved and you've linked them successfully, then what you want to do is to transfer money from your Payoneer account into those bank accounts. Okay, once, as you can see here, this is it, this is the money. So right now I can just click on withdraw and it's going to take me to this page. All I need to do is to select the balance, select the money, and select the bank account I want to withdraw it to, and select how much I want to send out. Okay, so you can just say maximum and you're going to see the total cost, and you can then forward this money right here on Payoneer into GeekPay. Then once the money hits GeekPay, you can then take advantage of this black market rate 727 and sell it and make your profit. Okay, so the same thing with Grail. They are similar, they work the same, they work at the same. So they are similar. Okay, so once you know how to do it with Grail or with Geekpay Africa, then you can do either of them. Okay, so guys, this is how it's done. So you transfer money from your Payoneer account into Geekpay.Africa or Grail, then you swap the money and you make your profit. Guys, this is massive. Okay, this is Payoneer arbitrage and it's really simple to do. Anybody can do this at all. The only thing that is going to be challenging to you is getting the funds, but trust me, once you start getting the funds, no matter how little it is, you're gonna start making money. Okay, you're gonna start making money. So if you want to get funds faster, you can buy funds from Nairaland. Make sure you join forums that are cool, and make sure you are very careful to avoid being scammed. And you can also check out Facebook or your WhatsApp or wherever you know you have people. Ask them. Okay, so they might have 1 or 2 to assist you. Okay, so guys, this is how you send out money from your Payoneer account into Geekpay.Africa or Grail.co in order for you to make more money. Okay, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe, turn on the bell icon so that you won't miss any video from me once I drop them on this channel. I'll see you guys on my next video. Thank you very much.